Hi everyone, here your master pattern. Our today's topic is basic skirt. Required measurements for the basic skirt for the size 10. You can see the final pattern here. And if you see the basic skirt pattern, so separate waistband, you can see the waistband. It will be on fold with 3 centimeters extension. And this is the front part. If you open this, you can see the back part here, and this is front and this is back part full pattern. And since this is symmetrical, so no need of making a full pattern. We can make half of the front and half of the back pattern. Now let us see how to draft basic skirt. Step 1, foundation block. So draw a vertical line and mark point 0 on the top, 0 to 1, skirt length minus waistband. And 0 to 2 is waist to hip measurement minus waistband. We got all the three levels: waist level, hip level, and bottom level. And from all these three levels, we have to square across by using set square or L scale. Now 2 to 3 is half hip round plus 1.5 centimeters is for the easy movement. Square up and down from 3, mark 4 at waist level and 5 at hem level. So with this, step 1 is completed, and step 2 will divide front and back by marking point 6. So 2 to 6 is 1/4 hip round plus 1.5 centimeters is. The total 1.5 centimeters is we are adding at the back. So square down from 6. Mark the intersection point 7 at hem level. Step 3, back waist details. 0 to 8, 1/4 waist round plus 4 centimeters for the two dart intakes plus 0.25 centimeters is. Square up from 8 and mark point 9 taking 1 centimeter. Join 0 and 9 with slight curve for the new waist. And again join 9 and 6 with slight curve to complete the side seam. So this is the side seam for the back. Divide 0 and 8 into 3 equal parts and mark the points 10 and 11. These points 10 and 11 are for the dot placements. Square down from 10 and 11 to mark the length of the dots. Now the first dot length is 13 centimeters, that is from 10 to 12. And 11 to 13 is 12 centimeters. And mark the dot intakes 10 to A, 10 to B as 1 centimeters each, so that you will get total 2 centimeters dot intake, and complete the dot by joining A and 12, 12 and B and C 13, 13 D. Step 4, front waist details. 4 to 14 is 1/4 waist round plus 2 centimeters for the dot, and 0.25 centimeters is. Square up from 14, mark 15 taking 1 centimeter. Join 4 and 15 with slight curve for the final waist, and join 15 and 6 to complete the side seam for the front. Now 15 to 16 is 1/3 of 4 to 15. That is the dot placement for the front. Square down from 16 to mark the length of the dot. Sixteen to 17, take 10 centimeters as the length of the dot. And you know that dot intake is 2 centimeters. So 1 centimeters each you have to mark on either side of the point 16. That is E and F. So join E and 17, 17 and F to complete the front dot. Write all the pattern details starting from the title of the skirt, everything center front, center back, armfold, grain line, size of the skirt. So everything you have to write it. Now let's see how to draft waistband. It's a very simple pattern. Just draw a vertical line and mark point 0 on the top, and 0 to 1 take 3 centimeters. It's a waistband width. Square across from 0 and 1. Guys, you have to use L scale or set square to draw these lines. Since I'm doing 1:4 pattern, I'm using scale here. 0 to 2 is half waist round plus 1.5 centimeters for the extension and 0.5 centimeters ease. Square down from 2, mark 3. 2 to 4, 3 centimeters. Square down from 4 and mark 5. So this mark is for the extension. 3 centimeters is the extension. But while taking the total measurement, we have taken 1.5 centimeters extension. Since this is on fold, we can't take 3 centimeters at a time because it is on fold. And write all the pattern details on the waistband. That's it for the basic skirt, front, back and waistband patterns. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.